Yeah, 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 yeah. With you. Yeah, 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 yeah. With you. Time was a time, girl. I wanna spend my life with you.
Hey loves, what's up? What's going on? If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. I am IAMSAEKOMARLEY, and in today's video, I tried faux locks for the first time. So here is my hair braided up. I got about 4 or 5 packs of the Bobbi Boss New Locks 24 inches color 4 and the 3X Passion Twist by Tress, also 24 inches in the color 4. It was more than I needed. I didn't know how much I needed, but I definitely have enough to do this style on myself again. And I first started by putting all these braids up so they could be out of my way. You're going to need a crochet needle if you are also going to be trying this style. And I went ahead and took all of the soft locks out of the packaging just so that they were easily accessible. This is about the length that it would be. So what I did first is stick the crochet needle into the root of the braid. That opening that is at the top of the soft lock, I'll open it up some more. I will place it into the hook of the crochet needle and pull it through. Once it's through, I'll pull my braid back out so that I could form a knot with the soft lock over my braid, and this is how it looks. My braid is out and the soft lock is hanging. Once the soft lock was secured, to tuck my braid, I unraveled the lock, then re-twisted it around the braid. So I'm unraveling the lock and then I'm twisting it around my braid. So I'm basically putting it back in the form that it's in, but over the braid so that my braid could be tucked. You guys will see a better view once I have a better angle. For the most part, I just wanted it to be tucked. Good thing is this color was kind of close to my original hair color, but I also didn't care because I knew that I was going to be wrapping that wavy hair around it. As long as the braid was tucked, I was fine with it. So I'm gonna continue crocheting those locks into my head and tucking the braid. Okay, so I had done a good amount of locks at this point, and I wanted to go ahead and start wrapping. So I split apart one of the twists. Some had more hair than others depending on how much you split it. I had enough to wrap it tightly around the root about 3 times. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm wrapping it tightly around the root only about 3 times, and then I began wrapping downwards. So now I just had this other half to do. So again, I'm using the crochet needle to put the lock through the root of my braid, and then I pulled the braid back out so that I could make a knot using that soft lock that I just crocheted through. I pulled the soft lock through and then pulled the braid through that opening of the soft lock as well. Hopefully you guys can see exactly what I mean. I pulled the lock through, then pulled my braid through that opening of the soft lock so that it can make a knot at my root. You have to be very careful when sticking that crochet needle in because you do not want that to get tangled in your hair. It hurts so bad. So be very careful when pulling it in and out. Take your time. Okay, so we're back here. I finished crocheting all the soft locks into my hair, and now I'm just wrapping that soft lock around my braid so they can be tucked. At this point, I was tired of separating the wrapping hair, so most of my locks, some of them came out thicker than the others, but I kind of like that look. I did take this style out after a week. Now that's kind of crazy. I took like 4 days to do this and then took it out after a week, but I just wanted to do the style for the experience. I will definitely try it again. So here's the passion twist, and you have to be super careful with unraveling it because it will get tangled and knotted if you pull too fast. And as you can see, for some of these locks, I did not split the twist in half. I just used that whole entire twist and that gave it a thicker look. And if I did not split the hair, I used a wide tooth comb just to comb it out so it could have some more volume and not be so curled. And now I'm doing my edges. You can get this purple edge brush on my site, iamsaekomarleyBK. I have this in purple, pink, and black, so if you want to go shop, go check it out. This was the final look, my faux locks. Let me know what you guys think. Should I try this style again? Should I film me going to get this style done on me? Let me know, guys. Leave it in the comments down below. And last but not least, I went in with my Grow by Seiko hair oil and I just went along the parts of my hair just to give them some oil. And yeah, I kept this style in for a week. My hair really does not like being suffocated sometimes. This style was beautiful though. I loved it. I got some nice pictures. You guys on Instagram seem to love it as well. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.